So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make money from Rumble, it is better you link your YouTube channel if you have not linked it before. And what you need to do is go to your account, and once you click on your account, you scroll down to where you have account settings. Then you are going to see more options on how to link your YouTube channel to your Rumble account. So you go to YouTube synchronization, channel synchronization, then you have to click on the sign in to Google. Once you click on it, it take you to the Gmail you use the sign up, and you have to select the Gmail account you use the sign up for your YouTube channel. After that, you have to click on the channel account where you have your videos and allow synchronization. Once that has been done, you need to relax for it to load, and after that it's gonna take you back to your Rumble account, and you have to select the exact channel you want the videos to display. In my own case, I don't have any channel right now, so you're just going to be on profile, and you have two options. That's the video license. So select Rumble only, because that is the only one that can be used to monetize. Then you have to select the date you want to cover that on the channel, the date where the video started, and click on Rumble and the YouTube channel. So you link it, you link the Rumble and the YouTube channel, and wait for it to load. So it's going to ask you a question. If you are sure of your decision, all you have to do is just press on OK, and after pressing OK, you wait for some minutes again, and I think it's linked right now. But there's some things you have to check out for. For example, we have the Rumble only, we have the personal. So make sure you select the Rumble only, so that at least your videos can be monetized. So you need to understand the differences, because this would be important in your monetization on Rumble. Let's go up to see some other features on the platform before we move ahead. Yes, I'm just trying to make you understand the differences between the personal use and Rumble only, because if you use the personal use, you won't earn anything from those video content. The copyright would be for the YouTube platform you already uploaded the videos, and Rumble will not be able to display advertisements on your videos. So let's click on manage YouTube videos, so that you would see the videos you've uploaded, and from the notification you would see that your videos are not yet active, because it needs time. Now once you link your YouTube channel with Rumble, it's going to take like 3 days, 4 days before your videos start displaying. Thanks for watching our video. If this is the first time you're watching our videos, please be sure to subscribe. We are always here to help you out. I love you so much. Share this link with your friends, press the like button, and subscribe. Bye for now.